My name's I'm a General Manager for Kier, and we are the highway delivery partner for Shropshire County Council here in Shrewsbury. We're working with our partners Multevo to help with Barnabas Community Church and their Food Bank Plus project. One thing I'd like to say is that congratulations and thanks to all the lads who have been involved from the Multevo side. They've worked tirelessly over the last 3 days to turn this site from a fairly rough area into an absolutely fantastic facility that is going to be an exemplar project for them, for the social value, and also for St Barnabas Community Church, and I think it's absolutely brilliant the work the guys have done here.
Councillor Dean Carroll. I'm a Shropshire Council Cabinet Member for Physical Infrastructure. My role involves looking after the highways department and the assets of the council or the buildings, and so I've been very involved with the Kier and WSP contracts and our supply chain partners, including Multevo. A major part of all the contracts we award is the social value element, and part of the social value element of the highways contract has been this fantastic project here at the Food Bank Plus at Barnabas Community Church. Huge thanks go to Kier and to Multevo for the work they've done to turn this facility into a fantastic place for the people who need it.
My name's Ben Warby, I'm a highways operative and I work for Multevo. It's basically a giving back to the community project that we're doing. The conditions of the garden before were not even able to walk down, really. They do have disabled people attend the church, so what we've tried to do is make it accessible for anybody that want to get down here. Obviously you're by the river, you've got all the gardens and everything, so we did most of it by hand, used some power tools involved, obviously getting the curb edgings in and stuff and taking up some concrete. I think they'll be a lot more beneficial from this now, obviously. Like I said, anybody can get down here now, whether it be wheelchair access and stuff for disabled people and whatnot, elderly people in general. It's very rewarding. It makes a difference to filling in holes, do you know what I mean? Stuff like that, but this is something completely different to what I've ever done, and hopefully more come up in the future.
So my name's Karen Williams and I'm the Food Bank Plus project lead here at Barnabas Community Church in Shrewsbury. Food Bank Plus is made up of more than just food bank, although that's what most people recognise. We've actually got debt advice as well, and we've also got our range of 360 initiatives. The one you've been supporting, which we're really grateful for, is 360 Back Garden. This is where we teach people how to do gardening, but in a really soft, gentle way, and the most important thing actually is that we'll build on relationships with people. I would like to say thank you to Multevo, Kier and the council for allowing us to use your staff and your materials to tidy up this whole area. Shrewsbury is renowned for its flooding, and this area floods every single year at the moment, and it sweeps away everything that we've put in place. With this tarmac now, this will be fixed and in place, and we really appreciate this. But more importantly, actually it's making it really safe for our clients. It's now a level surface, it's wheelchair access, and our clients can walk around here or wheel around here in safety, and we really appreciate that. It's going to make a massive difference to the way we can deliver 360 Back Garden, particularly in this terraced area. Thank you very much.